Hey friends, and welcome. Look at my baby back there. We are back with another Temu haul, and I just remembered I forgot to get a thumbnail. So we are literally about to leave for the lake, and I know, I'm like 99% sure that I picked some things out in this Temu haul to take down to the lake. So I'm gonna bust this video out for you guys. If you've never heard of Temu, Temu is an app that you can download that I highly suggest downloading. I have a special little link down below. You're getting things like, well, here we go. We got cute little snack bar things. I just recently hauled a indoor-outdoor rug, specifically outdoor. We're taking it down to our campers, so you guys will be seeing that because I do plan on, I'm actually filming a vlog video today. Fingers crossed I can keep it going. But there's free shipping, free returns, and they have flash deals, lightning deals all the time. Huge sales. There's going to be a special little coupon code and everything for you to, once you download the app, to go into the search bar. This is a little code that you can put in the search bar, and it's going to be some of my absolute favorite products. And I mean, here's from my last haul. These Delicious Divine, and I've got now the whole collection of them, but this one is at home and I need to take that down to the lake because they're literally under $10. Full price for the other ones that they look similar to, $20 some. I just wear these. They're amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump on in to some of the things that I picked up. Oh, okay, literally so perfect. So I have the weekend bag. This one says road trip. How adorable is this? So when we go, well, like, we're just going to stay for 2 nights to go to the lake and all of that. But typically we'll go down like on a Wednesday, come home on a Sunday, and I've got this bag filled with my goodies because I do work down there as well, but I'm not this weekend. I'm taking the weekend off. We've got my launch on July 15th with OFRA Cosmetics, so I'm literally just taking the weekend to relax because it's gonna be so exciting next week. I cannot wait. But these bags are so nice. They're so durable. I absolutely love them. They're cute, they're trendy, and they're so freaking large. They are just so, look how nice this is. Do you see that? Yeah. And if you see the weekend one is so good too. Like I said, I travel back and forth with it. Love it. It does have a long strap, but I normally just kind of carry mine like this. Okay, this is another thing that I got specifically for going down to the lake. All right, so this I thought would be great when we are literally on the lake. So it is a little picnic basket slash table, and I have some of my pasta drainers, I guess is what it's better, like this. So you push it out and it's like a picnic basket. Okay, so you fill it up. It's waterproof too, which is another reason why I wanted it. I don't know if it'll float or not. And then we've got a little built-in picnic table that just attaches right to this, and there you go. How nice is that? And then, isn't that so adorable? I think this came in other colors too. It's Temu, so it's crazy affordable. They have everything, guys. Like from home decor, the blanket you see my baby on right there, yeah, that's from Temu. Our family loves it. But how nice is this? Plus, like I said, it's waterproof. You don't have to worry, and you've got literally a little built-in table. So this, I had actually hauled the little sponge holder for the sink, and this has the little scrubbers. So this is going to fit perfectly into the little wire, and I'm taking this down with us as well to get the little sponge. This is a set of 3. Color code your cleaning. Oh, honestly, that's smart. So you could do bathroom, kitchen, whatever, but they feel like the expensive one. Soft and warm water, firm, cool water. Well, that's cool. All right. That's going down. Okay, these bags are crazy trendy and super expensive on, you know exactly what side I'm talking about. I just can't pull, like, I can't pull the trigger on it. I can't do it. So this is really, really nice. It's a quilted line purse, and it's, like I said, it's so trendy right now, but they're literally, I don't know, 80 some dollars, and I'm like, no thank you, I'll just get it on Temu. It comes in a ton of different colors, super freaking cute. I love that. I love, love, love it. Next in here, slippers, because you can never have too many pairs of slippers from Temu. I absolutely love them, and it's so funny because my kids, my daughters, like, always snag them. So I get mine in a 42, 43. Just for reference, I wear a 7.5 to an 8 size shoe, and that's the size I get, 42 to 43 for my slippers, and they fit with just a little bit of room. They're not too oversized, so I don't know if that means they run small, because I don't know what that is, but these are perfect. I throw mine in the wash every so often, because when I travel, I like to take slippers with me. These wash, no issues whatsoever. All right, this I really can't try it on and show you guys, but I found a strapless bra that, remember back in like the late 90s, early 2000s, they had clear straps so it wasn't noticeable. Yeah, so it's a little push-up bra. It snaps in the back, but it also does it in the front too. So I guess it like pulls you in even more. So I will keep you all posted. They had other colors and everything. For size reference, I went, it says 80C. So I guess that's like a 36. I don't know. Fingers crossed. But it was really affordable. But it does look like it has like breathable material, which your girl loves. All right, next in here, you know the snackle boxes are huge right now. And this is actually not the snackle box, but it's kind of very similar, like the way it clasps. This is an organization box, and again, I thought this would be great down at the lake or wherever, but for me, I thought, you know, this would be nice because I can like try and be organized down there. But you've got your two little bins. I feel like too, this would be a really good item to have if your kiddo is going to the dorm. Like for us, if we go to the shower house, this would be a great little caddy to take with you. So once you open it up, you've got like the little removable baskets, and you see, that's why they're going to be great like as a shower caddy, because you can clean this bottom part out. You could take them both out if you wanted to, but you can store your shower products in here and take it, like I said, down to the bathhouse, or if you're a dorm, you know, and you've got the community bathroom, you can just take all your stuff. Or you can also use it, which I think is what it's actually for your fruits and vegetables. Listen, I give explanations for everything because I want everything to be versatile, you know? So, very nice, very cute. And I will try it for my produce and see. Like currently I put things in a mason jar, but you guys know I've been on the struggle bus with my lettuce, so I'm thinking maybe this would be good for my lettuce heads. This is a little snackle box that I was thinking as well. And this I've seen all over TikTok. I actually got some off of TikTok for Haley for her wedding, and then I found them really less expensive on Temu. Go figure, right? So these, once again, would be great as like almost like a bento box when you're packing your kids lunch or something, but also like grab and go little snacks in the refrigerator. I kind of low-key now want to pick up a couple more of these because you can put strawberries, blueberries, nuts, and cheese and take it to work with you. And my kiddo, my youngest, does a lot of meal prepping, and I feel like this would be a great little meal prep type of deal, you know? So anyways, the lid comes off. It is plastic, it's not glass, and then these are removable. But if you're like going on a picnic, this is gonna be perfect, which I think that was kind of my thought process on that, to go with the picnic basket, you know what I mean? All right, friends, so that is everything for my quick little Temu haul. I am telling you all, they have so much stuff. I mean, if you are into smelly good goods, I highly, highly, highly recommend picking these up. All the scents, I'm going to go over them again because to me these have been my standout highlighted products that I've been talking about non-stop every time that I do a Temu haul. But You guys asked me in my last haul which one is your favorite, and to me it's down to these two. I love all 4 of them. Actually, I have a 5th one. It's the caramel one, but this one is a solar floral, and this just smells like the Rio scent. This one is Woody Gourmand. It's a vanilla orchard sheer sandalwood, and these are the 2 I've been gravitating to, and I don't have this one down at the lake, so I wanted to bring this one with me. It's a body spray or a body mist, so it's not like it's gonna like last days and days and days or hours and hours and hours, but it's a good little refresher to smell nice and all of that. So yeah, I picked up more and I love them all. And then of course, last but not least, I'm going to mention the fans. We are crazy for the fans around here, and this one in particular is going with us because it has a mister. You can actually add water in here, turn it on, and you're going to get not only the fan going but mists of water. How perfect is that when you're down at the lake, right? Anyways, friends, everything's going to be listed and linked down in my description box below for you guys, and I'm going to have the prices down there. They've been having a lot of lightning deals and flash sales and everything, so I don't want to confuse you all with the prices. So just know I'm going to pin that in the comment section as well as in my description box for you guys. Make sure to download the app with my special link that I have down there and search that code. So let me know some ideas of things you'd like to see in future hauls. Thank you to Temu for letting me pick out these goodies. Your girls head into the lake, and until next time, friends, check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Mama MD Makeup Diva. I am also on Hotmess Mama Vlogs for CoverGirl fashion hauls over there, and you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Mama of 4, as well as Unconditional Hot Mess. We're on YouTube and on Spotify. It's my oldest and I's podcast. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!